If you think that paid subscriptions are the main way to make money on Substack, I need to disappoint you. At RightBuildScale, we are serving more than 2,000 paid members, and yet our paid tier makes up only less than 5% of our total revenue. The rest comes from something most creators on Substack never even build. And once you see it, you will stop trying to squeeze a living out of subscriptions alone. Here's the shift that changes how you will use Substack altogether. Your paid subscribers are not supposed to be an entire business. They are only the entry point to it. And once you see the full picture, you will start building a much more intentional and smart system to tie everything together. If we are meeting for the very first time, my name is Sinem Günel. I've helped thousands of creators build thriving publications on Substack and become bestsellers. And for my own business, Substack is now the main channel behind everything I do. This video is for you if you already have real expertise and you want your Substack to be a business powerhouse, not just a newsletter. So let's start with a myth that keeps most creators on Substack broke. The myth is that you need to chase paid subscribers to make Substack work. The idea is that if you get enough people paying you $5 or $10 a month, you will eventually have a business. But here's the problem with that math. To make a real income from subscriptions alone, you need thousands of paying members. And most creators never get there, so they grind, they discount, they burn out, and a lot of them quit, all because they were playing the hardest possible version of that game. Now, paid members do matter because they are proof that people trust you enough to pay you, but they are only the floor, they are not the ceiling to your potential on Substack. And the creators who make serious money on the platform have figured out that the publication is the top of the funnel and the real money sits further down below. That funnel has 3 layers, and I'm going to walk you through all 3. The first layer is subscriptions, and the mistake people make is treating them as the destination instead of the entry door. Your paid tier essentially has 2 jobs. The first job is that it earns you the bestseller badge, which is public proof that people pay for your work, and that proof makes everything else you sell easier. The second job is that it shows you exactly who your most committed readers are, which are the people most likely to buy anything you build next. And here's what most creators get wrong about the paid tier altogether. They set it up, they add a little CTA line at the bottom of some posts, and then they wait for people to magically upgrade. But that's not a conversion strategy. At RightBuildScale, we treat our paid tier like a product, and we launch it like one. We charge $20 a month, which is intentionally higher than our competition because we're not trying to win on volume. And a few times a year, we run what we call sprint launches, which are short, focused campaigns with real urgency. Instead of just hoping that people convert on their own, we give them a strong reason to opt into our premium tier. For example, for our 1-year anniversary on the platform, we published a big free article with everything we learned in our first year, and we paired it with a tiered discount on our paid tier, where the earliest people got the deepest discounts and could watch each tier sell out in real time. That single campaign added over 100 new members to our publication. So yes, you want to turn on paid subscriptions and treat your first 100 paid members as a major milestone worth hitting. But the moment you have them, your job is not to grind for the next 100. It's to build the next layer, because that's where the leverage really starts. The second layer is products, and this is where the math finally starts working in your favor. A subscription trades your time for a few dollars a month, but a product is something you build once and sell hundreds of times, whether that's a template, a workbook, or a mini course. It's the same effort with a completely different ceiling. And this layer is one of our biggest sources of revenue at RightBuildScale. Our courses do most of the heavy lifting, and underneath them we sell smaller products like templates and workbooks that people can grab at a lower price. And your Substack is the perfect place to sell any kind of low to mid-tier products because your readers already trust you, and they will tell you you exactly what they need if you are paying attention. You build the product that solves their specific problem and you sell it right inside the content that already proves you can help them. Now, if your goal is to build a best-selling Substack publication and then turn it into real income through your own products, offers, and services, that's exactly what we help people do inside the Substack Accelerator. We work with you to build the publication first so you have the audience and the trust in place, and then we help you layer monetization on top of it so you're not just running a newsletter, but you're actually building a sustainable, profitable business. You can apply to work with us directly at substackcoaching.com. The third layer is high ticket offers, and this is where the value per person is the highest. This is coaching, consulting, done with you work, or a group program, whatever lets you help a smaller number of people at a much deeper level. For an expert, this is often the most valuable work you do, and the income reflects that. And here's why it works so well on Substack. This is where the platform is fundamentally different from Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. On those platforms, people scroll past you, they glance at a few nice images, they swipe through a carousel, they watch a 30-second reel, and then they are gone. On Substack, people sit down and spend real time on your work. They read a long, in-depth post that you took time to write, and that kind of attention builds a completely different level of trust. So by the time someone has read your posts for weeks, bought one of your products, and seen your bestseller badge, they already trust you deeply. That's why when you offer to help them directly, it doesn't feel like a cold pitch. It feels like the obvious next step. And this is the layer that makes the 5% number make sense, because a handful of the right clients can out-earn thousands of paid subscribers. And if we look back, even your highest paying clients might come to you because they first moved through the first 2 layers. Now here's exactly how the 3 layers work together. Your free posts build trust and they pull in new readers. Your paid tier converts the most committed of them and earns you the badge. Your products give people a bigger result and prove that your work delivers. And your high ticket offers serve the few people who want to get your help directly. Each layer feeds the next one, and let me be honest with you, I didn't build all of this overnight. I've been writing online since 2018. I have built an audience of over 80,000 followers on Medium first. I was then an editor for one of the biggest publications on the platform. Over the years, I've worked with tens of thousands of creators, coaches, consultants, and experts. I'm telling you this because if you already have a skill, a following, or a body of work behind you, you are not starting from zero either. You have the exact raw material this whole model runs on. So if you are an expert, a coach, a consultant, or a serious creator, and you want to build the full stack instead of grinding for paid members, our Substack Accelerator might be the perfect next step for you. You can apply at substackcoaching.com and we'll help you turn your publication into a business that pays you for the knowledge you already have. Because the goal was never to have more subscribers. It was building something that lasts and pays you back.